In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to brush up on the basics, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you capture every transaction accurately and efficiently. Let's dive right in. You'll want to start by navigating to the New button, which is located at the top right of your QuickBooks dashboard. This button is your gateway to creating various types of records and transactions, so it's always helpful to know exactly where to find it. Give it a click, and you'll be presented with several options. From these options, we're going to select Expense. Choosing this option allows you to record any expenses consistent with transactions you've made via your credit card. Once you select Expense, you'll find yourself on a page where you can input the relevant details of your transaction. First on the list of inputs is the payee, which refers to the individual or business that you made the payment to. It's crucial to get this detail right for accurate tracking and reporting. Plus, it can really help out when reconciling your accounts later on. Now, you'll need to enter the payment account. It's important here to select the credit card account you used for the transaction. This ensures that the amount is deducted from the correct source and helps in keeping your records precise. Next, turn your attention to the payment date. Be sure to match it to the date on which the transaction occurred. This helps in maintaining accuracy and can be pivotal during the reconciliation process, ensuring that your books align perfectly with your bank statements. For the payment method, you'll again select the credit card, reaffirming that the transaction was indeed made via this method. It's a simple step, but one that's consistently important to double-check to avoid any potential confusion down the line. Afterwards, it's time to delve into the remaining details of your expense. Here, you'll enter the specifics like the item, category, and any other necessary fields that align with your transaction. Taking time to categorize your expenses properly can significantly aid in generating accurate financial reports and managing your budget effectively. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, you'll want to make sure everything looks correct. Double-checking details is always a good practice, especially when it comes to financial entries. When everything appears in order, simply click Save at the bottom right of your screen. This final step ensures that all your hard work is securely entered into the system. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a credit card transaction in QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping your financial records up to date is key to mastering your business's finances. Thanks for watching, and keep those books balanced.